Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the PMV20 Meta Rabbit Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the PMV20 Meta Rabbit Vibrator itself. And this really is a colourful addition to your collection. This features 3 powerful motors, 12 rotation settings and 13 vibration settings. It's made of a smooth body safe silicone, so it feels very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel amazing on your skin. The clitoral stimulator here is also slightly flexible for fantastic stimulation, and it also has a handle just here, so it's very easy to handle and has a good grip as well. Now to turn on, press and hold on the bottom button and it's on. To change the rotation, use the middle button. To change the vibrations, click on the top button. You can also act them independently of one another. For example, to turn off the vibrations, press and hold down on the top button, and it's just the rotation remaining. To turn off, press and hold down on the bottom button again, and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. Simply slot it in the back like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. You can use the Meta to stimulate your G-spot and clitoris at the same time. When using the Meta, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean the Meta after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the PMV20 Meta Rabbit Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.